psychological counselor of the city, Jyoti Sapru. Jyoti Sapru has been pursuing psychology as a subject since last 2 decades. After she did her master's, she did her various postgraduate diplomas in counseling and guidance from different universities. She got the confidence to work with various established institutions like Siemens, Young Learners, Montessori, St. Thomas School, Modern High School, Lakshmipat Singhania, Ashok Hall group of schools. After gathering huge experience, she runs her own counseling center, which is known as the Self-Help Counseling Center. And this evening, we are very fortunate that we have among us Jyoti Sapru, and she will be talking on how to cope with this mental stress and how to overcome this. So I would like to request Mrs. Afreen Hussain to please come and discuss the various problems that have been faced by the media personnel. Over to Afreen Hussain. Afreen, can you hear me? Hello.
Afreen ji, you'll have to just unmute yourself.
Hello. नमस्ते, सलाम सब है आप लोगों को। बाकी कुछ वर्ड्स छूट गया हो तो वो भी आप ले लीजिए मेरी तरफ से। कहना ये है कि जो चीज मुझे कहना है उससे पहले मैं एक चीज आपसे कहना चाहूंगी। असल बात यह है कि ये जो आज मेंटल इश्यूज के बारे में हम लोग बात करने बैठे हैं, मेंटल स्ट्रेस के बारे में, तो इसको असल में हम और ज्योति सप्रू जी जो मेरी बहुत अच्छी फ्रेंड हैं, आप लोग सुन पा रहे हैं मुझे?
जी, आवाज आ रही है
जी। तो उनसे हम लोगों की बातचीत हो रही थी एक बार, तो मैंने उनसे कहा था कि देखिए प्रेस वालों को भी बहुत मेंटल स्ट्रेस होता है। तो उन्होंने कहा कि आपने भी तो 1 साल का काउंसलिंग कोर्स किया है कलकत्ता यूनिवर्सिटी से, लीगल एड से, तो चलिए साथ मिलकर एक प्रोग्राम करते हैं।
Afreen ji, sorry we lost you. I think there's some network issue.
There's a very popular saying that technology, sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't work. So we have to bear with it.
Yes.
But I hope, Afreen Hussain will be back within seconds.
Yes, absolutely. This is the normal new.
Yes.
Just hold on for a couple of minutes, dear people. Yes, we have Afreen ji back with us. Afreen ji, can you please unmute yourself? Afreen ji, can you hear us? If you can please unmute yourself.
और मैं कंटिन्यू करूं?
Yes, please. We lost you. Sure. Thank you.
तो जो प्रॉब्लम्स जो है, फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स वगैरह जो है, जो फेस कर रहे हैं जो लोग, मीडिया के लोग, उनकी नौकरी चली गई है, कम हो गया है, ऐसी सूरत में उनको मेंटल स्ट्रेस से बहुत ज्यादा गुजरना पड़ रहा है। कि पेपर्स हो गए तो एक बार आपके सर्कुलेशन कम हो गए हैं, ऐसी सूरत में वो लोग करे क्या? उनके जो मेंटल स्ट्रेस का बहुत ज्यादा इजाफा। एक और जो प्रॉब्लम है वर्क फ्रॉम होम, ये बहुत बड़ा मेंटल स्ट्रेस है, बाहर नहीं निकल पाते, रिपोर्टिंग
I think there is some network issue. So by the time Afreen ji joins us, just let me frame it up what she was giving a message, because we had a brief chat before Afreen is back. Yes. Afreen ji actually submit kar raha tha, so can you just complete what you're saying. आप mute पे हैं. Afrin ji, sorry, you're still on mute. Unmute yourself, please.
जी, मैं बोलना शुरू करूं. वक्फे वक्फे से भी बोलने से ज्यादा मजा आता है असल में, ऐसा भी होता है. बहरहाल चलिए, इसमें कोई बात नहीं है. और जो है दूसरा जो है वो रिपोर्टर से मतलब डरते हैं, खुद निकलते हैं फील्ड में तो खुद उनको कोविड ना हो जाए. ये एक मेंटल स्ट्रेस है. मतलब मेंटल स्ट्रेस की तो कमी ही नहीं है जैसे मुझे ऐसा लगता है. इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लम्स देखिए, एक जबरदस्त प्रॉब्लम जो मुझे खुद घर में फेस करना पड़ा 4 महीने में. इंटरनेट नहीं आ रहा था, मोबाइल पर किसी तरह काम किया. बाकी लोगों का क्या हाल वो मीडिया वाले खुद बताएंगे. अब देखिए और प्रॉब्लम्स क्या होता है, जैसे सोशल मीडिया पे हम लोगों को बहुत बार जो है फेक न्यूज देने के लिए जिम्मेदार ठहराया जाता है, जबकि हम लोग नहीं देते. हमारे मीडिया के जो मतलब साथी हैं वो लोग पूरा कोशिश करते हैं हर तरह से ऑथेंटिक न्यूज देने का. लेकिन क्या होता है, कुछ लोग अपने नाम से दे देते हैं. ये बहुत हम लोगों पर चीजें आ जाती हैं, कई बार ऐसा होता है. फ्रीडम ऑफ प्रेस भी एक जो है जबरदस्त झटका हम पर लगा हुआ है. हुकूमत जो वक्त है, चाहे वो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट हो, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हो, हमारे ऊपर एक जबरदस्त बोझा डाले हुई है कि भाई इस तरीके से चलो, मीडिया ऐसे लिखे वैसे लिखे. अब बोलिए ये कोई मतलब हुआ भाई? इससे तो हम लोगों पर इतना स्ट्रेस आ रहा है कि मैं क्या बोलूं. यहाँ तक कि कलकत्ते का एक बड़ा अखबार है, नाम नहीं लूंगी, सब लोग वाकिफ हैं उससे, उसके एडिटर को रिजाइन करने पर जो मजबूर किया गया. उस पर उसकी वजह से जो दबाव हम लोगों पर मेंटली पड़ा है, मैं आपको क्या बताऊं. रिपोर्टिंग और ये अब जो है, मैं अपनी बातें को बहुत बोल चुकी हूँ, कुछ थोड़ा कम भी हो जाना चाहिए कभी कभी. चलिए, तो मैं अभी अपनी बातों को यहीं पे वक्फा दे रही हूँ. आप समझ गई हैं आयता जी और शहनशाह जी?
जी,
जी,
थैंक यू सो मच.
जी,
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका. और आपने जो प्रॉब्लम्स जो बताएं जो मीडिया के लोग फेस कर रहे हैं, जाहिर है ये प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं होना चाहिए. आइडियली ये प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं होना चाहिए, लेकिन किसी न किसी वजह से ये प्रॉब्लम्स हो रहा है. तो अब मैं इनवाइट करना चाहूँगा आज जो हम लोग के ट्रेन्ड साइकोलॉजिकल काउंसलर हैं, मिसेस ज्योति सप्रू. मिसेस ज्योति सप्रू बहुत सालों से लोगों को काउंसलिंग कर रही है, और I would now like to request her that she should join us and address and talk about the mental stress that these media personnel are facing and what is the way out, how to overcome this. ये सब का कैसा सामना किया जाए, उसका क्या रास्ता है, इसको हम लोग कैसे से निकल पाएंगे. Mrs. Jyoti Sapru, are you there?
Jyoti ji, you're on mute. Yes.
Yeah, hi everybody. Good evening. Thank you so much, Afreen ji, for inviting me for this special program. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Aisha, for the lovely introduction. Myself, Jyoti Sapru from Self Help Counseling Center. And मैं ज़्यादातर जो भी presentation दूंगी, it may be in English. अगर आप लोगों को कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आए, please आप लोग chat box में mention कर दीजिएगा. We will take it up after the presentation. So I hope everybody is ready for the presentation. Aisha, I will start sharing the screen. So it's, you know, very impactful presentation and everybody will enjoy it. I would really request everybody to keep their phones on mute. Thank you so much. Okay, hi. Is the screen visible to everybody? Aisha, is it okay?
Yes, Jyoti ji.
Okay, so let's start. So today we are going to talk about isolation and mental health, the psychological impact of the lockdown, especially on the media personnel. Now, why do we say especially on the media personnel? Because कहीं ना कहीं हम लोग शायद ये भूल जाते हैं कि मीडिया वाले भी हमारी तरह इंसान हैं. They are not Superman, they are not superwomen. So we need to address issues that they are facing out there on the field. And firstly, I have picked up some data regarding the kind of problems media persons are facing, and we will have a brief overview of that. Okay, I think the screen is visible to everybody.
It is. In case it isn't, I will.
What is happening?
Yes.
Yeah.
They are the one who have.
Yeah, is somebody wanting to say something?
And then report back to us.
Yeah.
They are doing a great job and we salute them.
Okay, so news media is in crisis and only you can fix it. You are reading this because you value good, intelligent, and objective journalism. We thank you for your time and your trust in attending this webinar. We also know that the news media is facing an unprecedented crisis. It is likely that you are also hearing of the brutal layoffs and pay cuts hitting the industry. There are many reasons why the media's economics is broken, but a big one is that good people are not yet paying enough for good journalism. We have a newsroom filled with talented young reporters. We also have the country's most robust editing and fact-checking teams. We have the finest news photographers and video professionals. We are building India's most ambitious and energetic news platform, and we aren't even there yet. Why? Why is this happening? Although you invest in quality journalists, pay them fairly and on time, even in this difficult period, do not flinch from spending whatever it takes to make sure reporters reach where the story is. Even stellar coronavirus coverage is a very good example of their bravery, I must say. This comes with a sizable cost to continue bringing quality journalism. We need readers to pay for it because the advertising market is broken too. Please do join us in this endeavor to strengthen fair, free, courageous, and questioning journalism. I hope this is clear to everybody, so we can move on to the next presentation. Now, it is not only that crores of readers and viewers have been hit hard by this pandemic, but also dwindling advertisements and serious disruption in circulation of newspapers and magazines have forced media houses to take drastic steps, from slashing the number of pages and shutting printing to layoffs, salary cuts, and leave without pay for employees. The crisis has engulfed even top players such as the Times Group, the Indian Express Group, the Hindustan Times Media Limited, Business Standard Limited, and the Quintillion Media Private Limited, which runs the website The Quint. I will not go into the details, though I have all the data. What the media person are going through is really very shocking, and nobody seems to do anything about it. Even the news channel NDTV announced salary cuts between 10 and 40% from 1st April for 3 months. The founder, Raghav Bahl for Quint, the business news website was terminating the television division. Also, so it's not just the print, it is the other forms of media which is also suffering. There are many senior journalists which are talking now, speaking now, but I feel that the print media has taken the biggest blow. The hardest hit, though, is being suffered by the country's newspaper industry, which is reeling under the impact of circulation and advertising both dropping during the lockdown. Myths and paranoia about coronavirus spreading through the newspapers have only added to the problem. So you see, the Times of India, Times Life, they've hardly now become a 2-page material. Or, you know, people who would otherwise have a lot of articles and advertisements, they've just disappeared. So there's overall a big blow to the print media. The online too faces the heat. Besides the retrenchment at the Quint, News Nation Network, a Noida-based Hindi news channel, sacked its entire English digital team of 15 on 10th April, citing financial crisis. Can you imagine the magnanimity of the situation that we are dealing with here, especially with media persons? There's a sharp drop in the ad revenue for newspapers already battling the lockdown and unfounded rumors of helping spread coronavirus. The biggest problem has been the nosediving of the ad revenues. I am not going to go through the entire slide, but I'm sure I'm clear with my statistics, and if anybody has any doubt, can kindly put it in the chat box. Now, what is the solution? आप सब आज मेरे पास आए हैं. You want to know the problems and the solutions. हम अपने आप को कोरोना वायरस के बारे में तो एजुकेट करते हैं, लेकिन इस कोरोना वायरस से होने वाले जो मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज हैं, इसके बारे में हम अपने आप को एजुकेट नहीं करते हैं. All that we need to do that is now. The Prime Minister of India had declared a 3-week nationwide lockdown starting from the midnight of 24th of March 2020 to the 14th of April 2020, explaining that it was an essential and effective measure for breaking the COVID-19 infection cycle. Social distancing is a critical means to break the cycle of infection. There is a significant decrease in growth rate and increased doubling time of cases because of the lockdown. In addition to various psychological problems like depression, anxiety, and panic disorder, the COVID-19 pandemic has caused severe threats to the lives and physical health of media persons around the globe. In response to the problems posed by the pandemic, various public health strategies such as isolation of infected or at-risk persons, reduction of social contact, and simple hygiene like frequent hand wash have been advised to reduce the risk of infection. Although isolation helps in achieving the goals of reducing infection, reduced access to the family and friends and other social support system causes loneliness, increasing mental issues like anxiety and depression. During such stressful situations, the concerned government, hospitals, educational institutions, organizations, and even individuals need to look into the psychological intervention and adopt necessary measures in addition to educating individuals to stay isolated. It is vital to educate and prepare them to face the mental health issues. I will stress on this point. Again, in addition to educating individuals to stay isolated, it is vital to educate and prepare them to face the mental health issues. and they may endure during this period. Hence, the following tips are provided in the table, which helps to overcome the impact of the lockdown on the mental health. Now, firstly, you see, अगर एक मीडिया वाले का जॉब चला गया, उसकी सैलरी नहीं है, he goes into severe depression. This is one kind of a problem that they are facing. And the other is, if he has his job, एक तो उसके ऊपर 2 गुना काम करने का प्रेशर है, जॉब को रिटेन करने का प्रेशर है, और ये डिजीज उसको लीच ऑन नहीं करे, इसका भी प्रेशर है. So what happens? There is a lot of anxiety. So basically, there are 2 problems that they are facing. One is depression and other is anxiety. Now, please understand that depression and anxiety, how to identify and how to treat the coexisting symptoms. Depression and anxiety can occur at the same time. It's been estimated that 45% of people with one mental health condition meet the criteria for 2 or more disorders. One study found that half-trusted source of people with either anxiety or depression have the other condition. So it's not always that if you have depression, you will not have anxiety. You may have them coexisting in you at the same time. Now, what are the symptoms of each condition? Some symptoms of depression and anxiety overlap, such as problems with sleep, irritability, and difficulty in concentrating. But there are several key differences that will distinguish. इन दोनों में फर्क क्या है, इनमें डिफरेंस क्या है, वो भी समझना बहुत जरूरी है. Depression is feeling down, sad, upset, but that's normal. ये तो हम सबके साथ होता ही है. But it can be a concerning feeling that way for several days or weeks or years. If you're feeling like that for a very, very long time, then it becomes a psychological condition. Physical symptoms and behavioral changes caused by depression include decreased energy, chronic fatigue, or feeling sluggish frequently, difficulty in concentrating, difficulty in making decisions, difficulty in recalling, that is your memory. There are different types of pain, aches, cramps, gastrointestinal problem without any clear cause, changes in appetite or weight, difficulty in sleeping, waking early or oversleeping. Emotional symptoms of depression include loss of interest or no longer finding pleasure in activities or hobbies, persistent feelings of sadness, anxiety, or emptiness, feeling hopeless or pessimistic, angry, irritable, restless, feeling guilty or experiencing feelings of worthlessness or helplessness. And lastly, and the foremost stage is the thought of death or suicide attempts. Now, anxiety. Coming to anxiety, what is happening for people who are there still on the field dealing with this and hands-on. Anxiety or fear and worry can happen to anyone from time to time too. It is not unusual to experience anxiety before a big event or important decision. But chronic anxiety can be debilitating and lead to irrational thoughts and fears that interfere with your daily life. Physical symptoms and behavioral changes caused by generalized anxiety disorder include feeling fatigue easily, difficulty in concentrating or recalling. There's a lot of muscle tension, you know, sometimes you just feel कि कोई आपके muscles को एकदम मरोड़ रहा है. It's like too much of tension in your body. Racing of heart, grinding of teeth, sleep difficulty, including problems falling asleep and restless, unsatisfactory sleep, Emotional symptoms of anxiety include restlessness, irritability, or feeling of edge. You know, you feel like you're just on the edge and now you have to just take the leap. You can't take it anymore. Difficulty controlling worry or fear, dread, and panic. So, now I come to the things that you can do to get over these problems. A self-help test may help you first identify the sign. अभी तक हमने समझा कि क्या क्या मेंटल स्ट्रेस हो सकता है. अब हम समझेंगे कि इसको हम कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करें कि ये डिप्रेशन है, कि ये एंजाइटी है, कि ये पैनिक है. So there are a self-help test which will help you identify the signs. You know what's normal for you. If you find yourself experiencing feelings or behavior that are not typical of you or something which seems just off, this might be a sign that you need to seek help from a healthcare provider. Please, I request everybody, if you feel that there is something wrong, do seek out to mental health professionals like me. We are ready to help you. Free counseling, online counseling, whatever it takes, reach out, seek help, and help us to help you. So it's always better to talk about what you are feeling and experiencing so that the treatment can begin early if it is necessary. With that being said, some online self-diagnosis tests are available to you. You better understand what may be happening. These tests will be helpful. And a replacement for the professional diagnosis from your doctor, they can take other conditions that may be impacting your health into account either. So the popular self-help tests are depression test, anxiety test, and the combination of both. Now, how do we manage our symptoms? We've understood the disorders. We've understood how to identify कि हमको क्या problem है. Now, हमने जब identify कर लिया, उसके बाद what can we do to manage our symptoms? In addition to a formal treatment plan from doctor, these strategies may help you find relief from symptoms. It is important to know, though, that these tips may not work for everyone and they may have, different, because psychology is something which is not a pill. It's not a medicine that we give and it works for everybody. कौन किस situation में है उसको सोच के समझ के ही we have to take these steps. So allowing yourself to feel what you're feeling and know that it's not your fault. Please understand, whenever you are in a mental health issue, ask yourself, is it my fault? Am I responsible for this? Yes, if you are, then you do what you can do and what you should do. And if you are not, do not think about it. This is the first step that we tell, that first you have to know whether it's your fault and are you responsible for this condition. Depression and anxiety disorders are medical conditions. They aren't the result of failure or weakness. What you feel is the result of underlying causes and triggers and not the result of something you did. Do something that you can have some control over, like making your bed or taking out the trash, anything. Mindfulness, हमको present में रहना है, हमको अभी में जीना है. तो अभी हम क्या कर सकते हैं? हम बर्तन धो सकते हैं, हम झाड़ू पोछा कर सकते हैं, हम बिस्तर बना, जो भी है. Bring your mind out of the negative thinking into the present. Do mindful eating, mindful breathing, mindful sleeping. This is what this is all about. Okay. You can also create a morning, evening, or even a daily routine that we all know that we need to discipline ourselves. Do your best to stick to a sleep schedule. And also try to eat something nutritious. अगर आप field में भी जा रहे हैं, आप journalist हैं, It's not that you have to stay hungry. या ये भी जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको बिरयानी और चाप ही खाना है. It is also important to eat something nutritious like an apple or nuts. You can carry it with you in your bag. Keep yourself healthy physically and keep having nutritious food. When you're feeling depressed or anxious, you may reach out for comforting food like pasta and sweets to elevate some of the tension. However, these foods provide very little nutrition. Try to help nourish your body. And if you're up for it, for a walk around the block, nothing like it, do something that you know brings you comfort. Agar aap ghar mein hain, you can watch a movie, your favorite movie. You can, just flip through a magazine. Do anything that makes you feel happy. If you haven't left the house, if you've been home and working online, consider doing something you find soothing, like getting your nails done or getting a massage. Any relaxation technique can improve the quality of life and reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Yoga, meditation, breathing exercises, massage. This is what everybody's now, trying to keep your mental, physical health proper is trying to do. Reach out to someone you're comfortable talking to and talk about whatever you feel like, whether that's how you're feeling or something you saw on Twitter. अभी present में मैं जो feel कर रही हूँ, I should try and talk about that. I should not try and talk about future में क्या होगा, job का क्या होगा, family का क्या होगा. अभी कैसे मैं simple और happy और healthy और positive अपने आप को रख सकती हूँ, उसी के बारे में बात करिए. Because strong relationships are one of the best ways to help and feel better. Connecting with a friend or family member can provide a natural boost and let you find a reliable source of support and encouragement. And अगर ये सब आपसे नहीं हो रहा है, please talk to your doctors. Symptoms that last 2 weeks or more may be indication you have depression or anxiety, or severe symptom may include problem with sleep, unexplained emotional changes, sudden loss of interest, feeling of worthlessness or helplessness. And if you're not feeling like yourself and you want to help understand, make an appointment, see your doctor. Come to me, come for counseling. You can come to a mental health professional. You can seek help. Please do not keep quiet over these issues. And how to get a clinical diagnosis? There are different ways, there are different therapies. And what do you expect from the treatment? There will be therapy, there will be cognitive behavior therapy, there will be interpersonal therapy. You might need medication, you might need antidepressants, you might need anti-anxiety pills, or even mood stabilizers, or alternative therapy bhi hota hai, jisme you have hypnotherapy, psychotherapy, and different kinds of therapies. So that is up to the professional how he's going to treat you. So the bottom line is, you don't have to live with unusual feelings, thoughts, or other symptoms of either depression or anxiety. Talk with your doctor. If these feelings or changes last longer than a week or two, early treatment is the best way to manage the conditions and find treatments that are effective in the long term. Finding the right treatment for you may take some time. Most medications require 2 weeks or more to be effective. Likewise, you may have to try several medications to find the right option for you. Your doctor will work with you to find the best option. Thank you so much. I stop my presentation here and we are open to any questions from anybody.
Thank you. Thank you, Mrs. Jyoti Sapru, for your lovely presentation. And I'm sure a lot of people will gain from what you have said. You have years of experience, and on the basis of that experience and your talent, you have shared your knowledge with them. एक चीज तो बहुत जरूरी है, हम लोग को समझना चाहिए कि सोसाइटी में, हम लोगों के समाज में सबसे जो बड़ा खतरा हम लोगों के साथ है वो है डिप्रेशन. लोग डिप्रेस हो जाते हैं अलग अलग वजह से. और जैसे आपने बहुत अच्छा राय दिया लोगों को कि बहुत ज़रूरी है कि लोग बात करें, अपने फैमिली में बात करें, अपने दोस्तों से बात करें, अपने रिश्तेदारों से बात करें. बहुत दफ़ा देखा जाता है कि बात करने से एक रास्ता निकल जाता है. तो अब मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि अगर कोई हम लोगों के चैट बॉक्स में कोई अगर क्वेश्चन दिए हैं, वो क्वेश्चन आयशा पढ़ के बताएं. एक क्वेश्चन आया है, वो एक पार्टिसिपेंट आपसे पूछना चाहते हैं कि जब डिप्रेशन में कोई हो तो कौन सा मेडिसिन लेना चाहिए. ये सवाल का जवाब मैं दे सकता हूँ, लेकिन मैं चाहूँगा कि ये सवाल का जवाब आप ही दीजिए.
Sir, actually, you know, people now, they feel that it is just very synthetic कि आप एक medicine खा लेंगे और ठीक हो जाएंगे. Like I said in my presentation, आपको medication के साथ थेरेपी और काउंसलिंग बहुत जरूरी है. एंड काउंसलिंग भी सर, ये जो एक मिथ है कि यू कैन टॉक टू एनीबडी इन योर फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स, यू नो क्या होता है सर, समटाइम दे आर नॉट unbiased. They might, you know, love you so much. They say, "Nahi, nahi, 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 it's his fault, it's her fault, you're right," and they might misguide you. So if you go to a counselor who gives you a third person's view, which is an unbiased view, it can help you come out of depression in few days without medicine. Because medicine is just in our mind, you know, कि हमने दवाई खा ली, हम ठीक हो जाएंगे. But हम लेजी हैं, हम एफर्ट नहीं करना चाहते हैं. हम if we, you know, kind of talk to mental health professionals, it's going to help us much more than just taking a medicine. And since I'm not a psychiatrist, I cannot prescribe medicines, but I can give you my services and help you come out of depression without medication. Thank you.
There's another participant, he would like to know that is it normal to have disturbing or bad dreams once in a while?
Sir, once in a while is like how much? Because if it's happening once in a fortnight or once in a month, it's very much normal. But if it's happening weekly or more frequently, it is not normal. And usually, like we say, that our dreams are suppressed desires and wishes, which have been pushed by the conscious mind into the subconscious mind. They keep troubling us in the form of dreams. तो या तो आपका कोई बहुत pressing issue है जो आप reality में face नहीं करना चाहते हैं और उसको आपने दबा दिया. So then it becomes, you know, very difficult for you to express it to somebody. You need counseling, you need to speak out. जो चीज हमारे subconscious में जा चुका है, उसको वहीं अटैक करके खत्म करना है. उसको हम लोग consciously कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. So that the counselor can guide you best.
So the participant has just written, according to participant, this is happening frequently.
If it's happening frequently, then you need help. Yes.
So possibly why it is happening? Why do we have bad dreams?
Like I said, sir, it is our suppressed desires and wishes, or, you know, some kind of wishful thinking also, which we are not able to achieve. And हमारा जो mind है, it is divided into 3 parts, that is the conscious, the subconscious and the unconscious. तो जब हम लोग सोते हैं, तो हमारा conscious part is not active, we go into the subconscious mind. So जितनी हमारी extra baggage has been suppressed in the subconscious tends to come out in our dreams. And if the baggage is extra, it will come out more frequently. So that's not healthy.
Aisha, do we have any more questions from our participants?
No, thank you, Antika, for asking. The question was for Antika. Participants, if you would want, right now we have Jyoti ji with us. You can, have a conversation, ask a question. Okay, there's one comment from Karmakar. I sometimes feel like I want to commit suicide, but when then I think of my 1-year-old child, I somehow manage to console myself. What should I do?
Yeah, I'm very sorry to hear that कि आपका इतना छोटा बच्चा है and you are getting such fatalistic thoughts. It's not healthy at all. I would recommend you to consult a mental health professional as soon as possible and help yourself also to snap out of your negativity. क्योंकि लाइफ में कोई भी मुसीबत इतनी बड़ी नहीं है जिसको हम सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते हैं एंड इट इज सच अ ब्यूटीफुल गिफ्ट. You should not think negative. You should absolutely, urgently, as soon as possible, please consult a mental health professional. I am also available on Facebook page Self Help Counseling Center. You can reach out, you can take help. Please do not have, sit quiet with such tendencies. You have to snap out of the negativity. आपका जो negative thinking का cycle है, अगर आप किसी professional से बात नहीं करेंगे, so it will, further deteriorate. So please take action. Please, we are there to help you. You are not alone. So please allow us to help you. You have to reach out to us, and I'm sure you can get over this negativity. And sir, you also can say few lines. I don't know where's Afreen ji, can also guide this person that he's not alone and we are all there with him, and he must definitely reach out and we are all there to help him.
Ma'am, may I have one question, please?
Yes, sir.
मैं हिंदी में बात करता हूँ.
हाँ सर, बोलिए.
अच्छा, ये एंजाइटी का जो प्रॉब्लम है,
जी सर,
ये मेडिसिन ले रहे हैं लोग
जी,
मेडिसिन लेने के बाद रिकवरी अच्छी हो रही है
जी,
और वो चाहते हैं कि मेडिसिन को आप छोड़ दें,
जी,
लेकिन डॉक्टर उनको एडवाइस कर रहा है कि नहीं, आपको कंटिन्यू अराउंड 1 ईयर आपको मेडिसिन लेना है.
जी, जी,
लेकिन वो कंप्लीटली फिट लग रहा है, सारा काम नॉर्मल कर रहा है, खाना पीना भी सब कुछ हो रहा है
जी,
और उनका मेंटल हेल्थ भी काफी रिगेन हो चुका है.
जी,
और उनको काफी प्रॉब्लम था, स्लीपिंग प्रॉब्लम था, हाथ में मतलब कंपन आ गया था, भूख नहीं लगती थी, नींद नहीं आती थी,
जी,
हाथ में जलन वलन होता था. तो फिर वो मेडिसिन लेना शुरू किए. मेडिसिन लेना शुरू करने के बाद क्या हुआ कि 1 महीने के अंदर वो डॉक्टर बताया था कि दवाई 1 महीने के बाद ही काम करेगा, फौरन चाहिए तो नहीं होगा. तो दवाई वो 3 महीने खा चुका है जब से लॉकडाउन शुरू हुआ. इसके बाद से फिर वो सही से अभी रह रहा है, सब कुछ नॉर्मल है उनका, लेकिन वो मेडिसिन छोड़ना चाहता है. एक सबकॉन्शियस में उनका एक डर छिपा हुआ है
जी, जी, जी,
कि मैं ये मेडिसिन लेकर के कहीं एडिक्ट नहीं हो जाऊं कि मुझे जिंदगी भर मुझे दवाई लेना पड़े. वो ओवरकम होना चाह रहा है मेडिसिन से कि मैं बाहर आना चाह रहा हूँ, लेकिन इसके लिए जो डॉक्टर्स हैं वो ज्यादा कुछ काउंसलिंग कर नहीं पा रहे हैं. ये शायद आप बेहतर बता सकती है क्या करना है.
जी, ये बहुत अच्छा आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा सर, क्योंकि हमारी जानकारी बहुत कम होती है साइकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में. इट इज नॉट लाइक अ हार्ट प्रॉब्लम और अ ब्लड प्रेशर प्रॉब्लम कि आपने दवाई खाया 1 महीना और आप ठीक हो गए एंड देन यू कैन वीन ऑफ फ्रॉम द मेडिसिन. कई दवाइयां आपको लाइफ लॉन्ग लेनी पड़ती हैं. अभी that person is feeling better, thanks to God. I wish वो ठीक ही रहें. लेकिन ये जो उनका स्टेट आया है, क्योंकि एंजाइटी क्या है? एंजाइटी इज ओनली वरी. इट इज अ फीलिंग ऑफ वरी जिसमें इंसान हर टाइम बहुत नर्वस रहता है, अनईजी रहता है और उसको पता नहीं है कि उसके काम का आउटकम क्या होगा. सर्टेनिटी नहीं है, सब टाइम सोचना, चिंता करना. तो अगर वो सोच रहे हैं कि वो कंप्लीटली इस चीज से निकल के अभी एब्सोल्युटली फाइन है और वो तुरंत इसको बंद कर देंगे, तो इट इज नॉट एट ऑल एडवाइजेबल. ही मस्ट फॉलो द डॉक्टर्स एडवाइस. एंड क्योंकि मैं ये चीज बार बार स्ट्रेस कर रही हूँ कि सिर्फ दवाई खाने से प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं होता है, साइड बाय साइड यू नीड काउंसलिंग। तो उनको जरूर किसी काउंसलर के पास जाना चाहिए, ठीक है? फिर धीरे 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 मे बी 1 साल, 1.5 साल, 2 साल भी उनको फिर हम लोग वीन ऑफ कर सकते हैं मेडिसिन से, इफ देर इज no symptom of anxiety at all. But I'm sure because the moment he will stop taking the medicine, there will be some chemical imbalance in the brain that will disturb him again. So we cannot switch on and switch off like that. So if the doctor says that he needs to take, he must follow the doctor's advice. आप काउंसलर के पास आइए, काउंसलिंग भी करिए और धीरे धीरे मेडिसिन हम लोग फिर बंद कर सकते हैं।
Right. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, sir.
Is there any other question?
None in the chat box, Mr. Mirza.
Okay, so I think then we should wrap it up.
Yes.
Aisha, please do the needful.
Yes.
Thank
So
you so much.
thank you so much, Mr. Mirza. Thank you so much, Afreen ji and Jyoti ji. Jyoti ji, especially for your presentation. I am sure it has been helpful, and inshallah it will be more helpful. Like Jyoti ji has said, just stay happy as the first medicine. And then, the second medicine is reach out to counselors if, the first medicine you're not being able to fight it. So there will be the same session will be uploaded on YouTube, so you can always come back and refer to the the knowledge that Jyoti ji shared. And from Self-Help Counseling Center, we all wish you the best, and stay safe. And that's about it. Closing from my end. Anything else you would like to add, Jyoti ji, Afreen ji?
Aisha, if you could share my number and counseling page, अगर कोई interested है मेरे को वहाँ contact कर सकते हैं, they can contact me. I'm particularly worried about that specific message that we got, so
Yes.
I would not like to leave it there, and we must all offer our help to this person concerned.
Right.
Please,
So,
it's
sorry. How would you like me to share it? Should I put it in the chat box?
I can give my number. It's 9830229155. I'm available for online counseling, and my counseling page is Self-Help Counseling Center on Facebook. So please reach out, and we are all there to help you, sir. And thank you, Mr. Shahenshah, and thank you, Afreen ji, for inviting me for this lovely webinar. And thank you, Aisha, for handling all of us, making so many goof ups.
Can I speak? Can I speak?
You handled us so well. Thank you so much.
Hello. Can I speak? Hello.
Who's
Hello.
this?
We have time, or it's like
Hello.
Yes, is
Can
it
I
Zafar?
speak?
Is it Zafar?
Would you give me a chance to speak?
Yes, Zafar, Mr. Zafar.
Yeah, I am Zafar. Can I speak?
Jyoti ji, would you like to address it?
yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sure. Shall I speak now?
Yes, please do.
Jyoti?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good afternoon, each and everyone there. And thanks, Jyoti, putting more light, like your name, on more your talk on that depression, anxiety. The essence of that talk was how to
Yes, please carry on, Mr. Zafar.
Yeah, you know that the global hungry index, you know it very well. We are becoming more and more hungry. You will get more and more people roaming on the streets without any food in their stomach. That index is there, world level index. That index is increasing. Like the mental stress is also increasing. You can say the mental stress index is also increasing due to this pandemic. So what is the solution of that? That hunger is there. And as you rightly said, that the mental stress is directly related to livelihood.
Yes.
The mental stress is directly related, proportional to livelihood. So how one should overcome this sort of things? The index is increasing, stress is increasing, and we don't have any solution.
जफर साहब, आप बिल्कुल दुरुस्त फरमा रहे हैं। बहुत आपने उम्दा सवाल किया है। बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैं एक साइकोलॉजिकल काउंसलर हूँ. मैं अपनी बातों से और अपनी नॉलेज से लोगों को गाइड कर सकती हूँ कि वो मेंटली फिट रहें. और जो आप हंगर की बात कर रहे हैं इसका भी मैंने जिक्र किया था अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन में. आई सेड दैट इट इज कॉजिंग लॉट ऑफ डिप्रेशन. So that is where I come in handling depression. And jahan I think you're talking about having a livelihood to feed yourself. It is, I know, very difficult for some people, but it is not impossible. Hum log ko, we should not give up hope, and we must see ki agar we have got this life and we have got a problem, we will also get a solution. अगर हम अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में ही सोचते रहेंगे, इट विल नॉट हेल्प अस. हमें अपनी सॉल्यूशंस के बारे में सोचना है और हमें किसी पे डिपेंड नहीं करना है. चाहे वो एक अभी जैसे पेंडेमिक में मास्क बना रहे हैं या ग्लव्स बना रहे हैं या कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, दे आर डूइंग गार्डनिंग, दे आर डूइंग एनी काइंड ऑफ वर्क टू have small income and feed yourself. So I'm sure God will give strength if you just do not give up. Keep yourself fit mentally. अगर आपका माइंड स्ट्रांग रहेगा, आप बॉडी भी स्ट्रांग करेंगे और फिट भी रहेंगे. थैंक यू सर.
Thank you
But
so much.
infodemic is also adding part of this pandemic. Infodemic, you know, a lot of information is coming. Even Google has got fact finding that search engine. So that thing, we should check it out. As a media personnel, that infodemic, you know very well. Everybody is saying, you take this, it will increase your immunity power. So that sort of infodemic.
तो सब तरफ से हो रहा है, लेकिन हमें देखना है कि हमको कितनी जरूरत है, उतना ही हमको इंफॉर्मेशन देना है. इट इज नॉट लाइक अ क्रिकेट स्कोर की कितने मर गए, कितने मरेंगे, कितना मोर्टेलिटी. दैट्स नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट एट ऑल. आप अपना सिंपल लाइफ लीड करिए, 2 वक्त का खाइए और चैन की नींद सोइए. टू सर्वाइव दिस पैंडेमिक नाउ इज द बिगेस्ट चैलेंज. All that can happen later.
And the amount of news absorption, the amount, it is also putting stress on one's mind. The news, if you go on seeing the TV channels, all the time they are putting COVID, this and that. If you make it a point that you will just watch the TV for 4 or 5 minutes, just for the sake of info.
स्ट्रेस लेना नहीं है ना सर, हमको स्ट्रेस लेना नहीं है. वो गोविंदा का डायलॉग है ना, जब उसको कोई धक्का मार देता है तो बोलता है, तूने मेरे को धक्का क्यों दिया? बोला, मैंने दिया, तूने लिया क्यों? तो हमको धक्का लेना ही नहीं है, हमको स्ट्रेस लेना ही नहीं है. हमको अपना अभी चुपचाप सिंपल लाइफ लीड करके इस क्राइसिस से निकलना है. उसके बाद हम प्रॉस्पेरिटी, जॉब सब होगा वापस. बट अभी बेसिक इश्यू इज टू सर्वाइव. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much, Mr. Zafar. Thank you, Jyoti ji. Afrin ji, do you have anything else you would like to add?
मैं बस आखिरी में बहुत सबका शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ कि ज्योति जी आई हैं मेरी इनविटेशन पे, शहंशाह जी आए और आप खुद आयशा जी आई हैं. आपने इजहार किया है, इतनी अच्छी तरीके से होस्ट किया है इसको कि मैं क्या कहूँ. आपके बगैर, ज्योति जी के बगैर, शहंशाह जी के बगैर ये पूरी जो मैंने कोशिश की थी वो बिल्कुल जो अधूरी रह जाती है. और सबसे खास जो है हमारे मेहमान जो इनवाइटीज हैं, जो गेस्ट के तौर पे हमसे जुड़े हैं, हमारी बातें सुने हैं, उनका शुक्रिया अदा करूंगी. और आखिरी में जो है वो शहंशाह जी जो शहंशाह हैं, वो अगर कुछ कहना चाहें, क्योंकि देखिए हर जगह जो है सब लोगों की एक मतलब, ज्योति जी तो खैर ज्योति दिखाई रही है, इजहार जी इजहार कर रही हैं, लेकिन शहंशाह जी जो है, लोग दूसरे तरीके से ना लें इसको. शहंशाह एक शहंशाह होता है, अमिताभ बच्चन जैसे थे और जहाँ पैर रख देते थे वो शहंशाह. तो उनके बगैर आखिरी में सब कुछ अधूरा रह जाएगा. प्लीज शहंशाह जी.
नहीं, ये जफर साहब बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट उठाएं कि इतना सारा न्यूज आ रहा है, इतना सारा नेगेटिव न्यूज है. हम खाली यहाँ पे एक बात कहना चाहेंगे लोगों से कि व्हाट्सएप में बहुत सारे फॉरवर्ड्स आते हैं हम लोगों को, और जो लोग आजकल मजाक से कहते हैं यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ व्हाट्सएप. तो अगर आपको हेल्दी रहना है, हम सबों को हेल्दी रहना है, तो पहला काम करिए कि ये सब व्हाट्सएप मैसेज पढ़िए मत, डिलीट कर दीजिए. बगैर खोले हुए डिलीट कर दीजिए, क्योंकि 99% तो ये सब न्यूज आता है, इंफॉर्मेशन आता है व्हाट्सएप में, वो गलत रहता है। अगर आपको कोरोना के बारे में कोई न्यूज चाहिए, कोई इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए, तो वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के जो सीनियर ऑफिशियल्स हैं, जब वो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करते हैं या जब वो अपना स्टेटमेंट देते हैं, तो आप उसको फॉलो करिए। या हम लोगों के मुल्क में ऑल इंडिया इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिकल साइंस के डायरेक्टर हर रात को एक मैसेज देते हैं, वो सब मैसेज ऑथेंटिक है, वो सब मैसेज फैक्चुअली करेक्ट है, आप उसको फॉलो करिए। ये मत देखिए कि आपका पड़ोसी क्या बोल रहा है आपको पीने के लिए, आपके रिश्तेदार क्या आपको बोल रहे हैं खाने के लिए, और कौन आपके कॉलेज के फ्रेंड आपको क्या बोल रहे करने के लिए। प्लीज डोंट फॉलो ऑल दोस थिंग्स, यू नो, इट गिव्स राइज टू अ लॉट ऑफ एंजाइटी एंड स्ट्रेस एंड इट इज लीडिंग अस टू नोवेयर। एक पूरे दुनिया में एक है, दुनिया तो छोड़िए, पूरे एक मुल्क में एक डर का माहौल बन गया है। लेकिन हम लोगों को डरना नहीं है, हम लोगों को समझदारी से इसका मुकाबला करना है। और यू नो, लोग वैक्सीन के लिए चिल्ला रहे हैं, ठीक है, जो लोग वैक्सीन के लिए काम कर रहे हैं, हम लोग यही दुआ करते हैं, यही आशा करते हैं कि जल्द से जल्द वैक्सीन निकल जाए। लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम जो भी गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से आपको इंस्ट्रक्शन मिलता है प्रिकॉशंस लेने के लिए, आप वो सब प्रिकॉशंस लीजिए और अपनी जिंदगी गुजारिए मुस्कुराते हुए। Over to you, Aisha.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much. I mean, it's such a bright team of happy people who are trying to spread happy messages. So, inshallah, hope to do more and more sessions like this where we can be of service to the ones who need. And that's all about it from all of us. Thank you very, very much, all of the attendees who were here. And see you soon. Thank you.
Thank you, Afreen ji, sir, Aisha. Thank you.
Bye. Bye all. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.